Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Jahangir Alam, lecturer in physics. I welcome you all in my today's online class. First of all, thanks to Almighty that has given me the ability to take this class. I also hope all of you are well by the mercy of Almighty and carrying on your regular studies staying at home. Dear student, in our previous class we have discussed the very basic things from our fifth chapter, that is the electromagnetic induction and alternating current, right? In our previous class we have discussed about Faraday's law, Lenz's law, self-inductance, mutual inductance. Okay, so today we are going to solve some mathematical problem related to the laws or expression. First, we will see the mathematical expression that we have discussed in our last class. Dear student, in our previous video we have observed that these are the mathematical expression for our mathematical problem. First, we have observed that Faraday's law, the induced EMF E is equal to minus n d phi by dt. Here E is induced EMF, n is the number of turns, d phi that is change of flux, dt is required time. Or if the change in flux is denoted by phi 1 and phi 2, then the change of flux can be expressed as phi 2 minus phi 1 divided by t. Okay, so self inductance phi, change of flux, can be expressed as L phi. Here L is the self inductance or coefficient of self induction. So using the value of phi in the expression, we can write that E is equal to L into di dt, right? Here I is the current and di is the change in current in time dt. Okay, so in case of coil, the self inductance or coefficient of self induction L can be expressed as pi mu naught n square r divided by 2, right? Here n is the number of turns, r is the radius of the coil, okay, and mu naught is the permeability of the vacuum medium. In expression 3, that is mutual induction, here we have observed that phi is equal to mi. M is the mutual inductance, I is the current. So using the value of phi in the expression, we can write E is equal to minus m into di dt. Okay, dear students, here is our first mathematical problem. In the problem they said that number of turns of a coil is 100. This is the number of turns. Magnetic flux of each turn changes from 30 into 10 to the power minus 5 Weber to 2 into 10 to the power minus 5 Weber when the coil is moved away from a magnet in 0.04 second, right? So calculate the induced EMF in the coil. Here the number of turns, which is denoted by n, number of turns n is equal to 100, right? Here the required time to change magnetic flux dt, which is denoted by dt, dt is equal to 0.04 second, and change in magnetic flux, the magnetic flux changes from 30 to 2. So we can write d phi is equal to 30 into 10 to the power minus 5 minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 5 Weber, that is 28 into 10 to the power minus 5 Weber, right? So we have to calculate the induced EMF E. We know E is equal to n into d phi dt, right? Here n is equal to 100 multiplied by d phi means 28 into 10 to the power minus 5 divided by dt. dt means change in time is 0.04. Okay, so after the calculation you will get 0.7 volt, right? This is the final answer for our first mathematical problem. Here is our second mathematical problem. The problem said that electromotive force of 10 volt is induced in a coil if the current changes from 0.1 ampere to 0.5 ampere in 1.015 second in the coil. Then calculate the self inductance of the coil. That is, we have to calculate the value of L, self inductance. Here the induced EMF E is equal to 10 volt. Okay. So change in electric current, which is denoted by di is equal to 0.5 minus 0.1 ampere or 0.4 ampere, and the required time dt is equal to 1.015 second, right? We have to calculate the value of self inductance L. Dear student, we know E is equal to L di by dt. Okay, so using the value of the E, or E is equal to 10 is equal to L into di. Di means 0.4 divided by dt means 1.015, or L is equal to 10 multiplied by 1.015 divided by 0.4, and after the calculation 25.375, and the unit of L is Henry, right? Okay, dear student, here is our third mathematical problem. They said that the radius of a coil of 100 turns is 0.1. Okay, the number of turns is 100 and its radius is 0.1 meter. So determine its self inductance, that is L. Here mu naught is equal to 4 pi 10 to the power minus 7 Tesla meter per ampere. So here number of turns n is equal to 100, right? And radius of the coil R is equal to 0.1 meter, and mu naught 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7 Tesla meter per ampere. So we have to determine the value of L, right? We know L is equal to pi mu naught n square R divided by 2. So using the value from the right side, here pi means 3 pi, mu naught means 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7 multiplied by n square means 100 square, r means 0.1 divided by 2. Okay, and after the calculation you will get 0.002 Henry. Okay, so this is the final answer for our question 3. Right, dear student, here is our another mathematical problem. In the problem they said that if the current in a primary coil changes from 6 ampere to 1 ampere in 0.05 second, then the electromotive force of 5 volt is induced in the secondary coil, right? So what is the mutual inductance? Okay, so here the change in current, that is di is equal to 6 minus 1 ampere or 5 ampere, right? So induced electromotive force E is equal to 5 volt and required time dt is equal to 0.05 second. So we have to calculate the mutual inductance M, right? Dear student, we know E is equal to M di dt, or the value of E is 5 volt is equal to M, which is to be determined into di 5 ampere divided by dt 0.05, or M is equal to 5 multiplied by 0.05 divided by 5. So M is equal to 0.05 Henry. So this is the final result for our question 4. Dear student, here is a creative question. The question said that two nearby coils A and B, that is there are two coils, one is denoted by A and another is denoted by B, have 200 and 1000 turns respectively. That is, the number of turns in coil A is 200 turns and that in coil B is 1000 turns, right? When 2 ampere current passes through in coil A, that is coil A is primary coil because 2 ampere current is current in the passes through the coil A. This is the primary coil A and current through the primary coil is 2 ampere. Then the magnetic flux of 2 into 10 to the 2.4 10 to the power minus 4 Weber is produced in the primary coil. This is self inductance, and the 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 4 Weber produced in the coil B, right? And the questions are: calculate the self inductance of A, calculate the mutual inductance of B if the current stop in 0.4 second, then find the induced EMF in coil B, right? So dear student, first we are going to solve the question A, right? According to question A, we have to determine the self inductance of coil A, that is L for coil A. Here the change in flux in coil B, if denoted by phi B can be calculated the number of turns in the coil A. Phi A is equal to number of turns in the primary coil is 200, right? Multiplied by change in flux for one turn is 2.4 into 10 to the power minus 4, right? And okay, or 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 2 Weber, right? And current in the primary coil is 2 ampere, right? We know phi A is equal to L I, or L is equal to phi A divided by I. So here phi A is equal to 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 2 divided by I is 2 ampere. So we will get 2.4 into 10 to the power minus 2 Henry, right? This is the final answer for question A. Now we are going to question we are going to solve our next question, that is question B. We have to calculate the mutual inductance of B. Here the flux related to coil B denoted by phi B is equal to the number of turns in the coil B is 1000, so 1000 multiplied by, and the flux in the coil B related to coil B is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 4, or it will be 0.16 Weber, right? And current in the primary coil I is equal to 2 ampere. Okay, we know phi B is equal to, here the mutual inductance, so M into I, right? So M is equal to phi B divided by I. Here phi B is equal to 0.16 divided by I is 2. So it will be 0.08 Henry. Dear student, I hope you got it. It is a very simple calculation. Okay. Dear student, now we are going to solve our last question. If the current stops in 0.4 second, okay, here the current was 2 ampere, it stops means the current will change from 2 ampere to 0. So here the change in current, that is di, current was 2 ampere and they said it will stop, that is the value will be 0. So the di is equal to 2 minus 0 ampere or 2 ampere, and the required time is 0.4 second. So dt is equal to 0.4 second. You know the mutual inductance for coil B, from our previous calculation we have found that M is equal to 0.08 Henry, right? So we have to calculate the electromotive force induced in the secondary coil. Dear student, we know E is equal to M di dt, right? Here the value of M is 0.08 into di. Di means 2 ampere and the required time is 0.4. Okay, and after the calculation you will get 0.4 volt. Okay, this is the induced EMF in coil B. Dear student, I hope you got it or you realize it. So you have to practice this type of mathematical problem from the lecture and from your textbook. So good wishes for you. Thank you very much being with me in my class. May Allah bless all of you. Assalamu alaikum.